How to unblock on Snapchat. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can unblock on Snapchat. Now, if you open up Snapchat app, you'll get an interface like this. You can head into chat by swiping to the right, from left to right, or you can tap on the chat icon at the bottom of your screen. Now here, if you tap and hold on any chat, you'll find the option here popping up from below, and if you head into manage friendships here, you'll find the option to block. So you can block from here any users on Snapchat, but how do you unblock them? Now unblocking is quite simple here. What you want to do is simply tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of the screen here. You'll be headed to your profile. Now on your profile, you'll find the little gear icon alongside the share icon at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it here and scroll all the way down below until you find the option block. Now here you can see under account actions, you can see the fourth last option block. Simply tap on blocked option and you'll find all your block list here. Now to unblock a particular user, what you can do is search them here and then tap on the cross icon just beside their username. And then here you'll find the option, are you sure you want to unblock the Snapchatter? You can see popping up on your screen. Simply tap on yes and they'll be unblocked. So this way you can unblock on Snapchat. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.